Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and it's time for a giveaway. So I'm giving away a brand new piece of software. It actually goes live tomorrow on the 19th of April at 9 a.m. Eastern. It's called Commission Trooper and it's a traffic and commission generating app. Okay, so I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how it works, and in the end of this video I'm going to tell you how to win a free copy. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's jump into this Commission Trooper review first. So we're gonna have the sales page ready for you guys. We are still working on it, so it will be looking very different. Obviously we have tons of proof, and this is released by Team Black Belt, which is myself, Palab, and Ram. So hopefully you already know us. So again, we have tons of proof, both ranking proof and commission proof behind it. We are using this ourselves. Commission Trooper, that's the name of this new product of ours. And as you can see, we have a couple of demos right here. So I'm going to have the same demos on my blog. Okay, so we have a 60-second demo and a full 10-minute demo for you to see exactly how this works. Right here in this video, I'm going to show you the basic functionalities. Okay, so again, we have more proof. We have tons of proof behind this, guys. 30 days money back guarantee, but you are here for the free copy, so you are not worried about that. And we're gonna have a couple of different options. Okay, so again, that was the sales page. Let's check out the inside of the members area. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's a 9-in-1 piece of software essentially, so you can do a bunch of different things. You can research the keywords, you can actually connect it to ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus. So if you want to check out the full demo, you can check it out. I'm going to have it again both on my YouTube channel and on my blog. But in a nutshell, it will create videos for you from other people's videos. Okay, so these videos are amazing for pulling traffic in any niche, and you can pick any video in any niche and just rebrand it with your own intro, outro, images, watermarks, even your own text, animated text, music, whatever you want to add to it, you can add in under a minute. Okay, so again, let me go through the options right here. So we have the ClickBank, so we can actually type in any keyword right here when it comes to ClickBank. Let's type in money, and as you can see, obviously we're gonna get all the ClickBank stats, but the cool thing is that Commission Trooper will tell us exactly what videos we can use from YouTube legally, because Commission Trooper works with Creative Commons license, which means that other people allow you to use their video, and Commission Trooper shows you exactly which video to use with which products. So this works with ClickBank, JVZoo, and Warrior Plus, so that's done for you. You don't have to research or decide on your own which kind of videos you want to use. Then we can create the video. I'm going to show you that in a second. We can do the YouTube Creative Commons search from within the software. Sentiment analysis, that's everything about what kind of keywords to go after. Then we have YouTube video analysis, so just making sure that you're choosing the right video. Image video creator, you can actually create videos just from images if you want to, so that's another function. Image creator, so this says a software within a software, so you can actually create beautifully looking images and you can use them for your videos or anywhere else. And right now let me just click on create a video, and let's create a video from scratch. So this is how it looks like. As you can see, you have a few different options. You have to press on the button that says create a video and you are done. So you can create videos in 60 seconds, which means that you can create video after video after video, and you can create dozens of videos per day. You can use them yourself, you can use them to sell to clients, you can do whatever you want with these videos. Okay, so you just add the title. Then in the wizard, as you can see, all we have to do is just add the YouTube video URL. So I'm not going to be creating videos right now, but again, check out the full demo and the 60-second demo to see exactly how it works. So again, all you do is add a YouTube video URL, and you don't even have to use the URL. You can do the YouTube Creative Commons search from within the software. You can add an intro, you can add an outro, you can add a lowered third image, you can add a watermark, you can add text in different colors. You can add an animated text that goes from left to right or right to left in many different colors as well. Background audio, so this can be for music or for just a different audio file, and all you do is click on create video, and that's it. Your video is created in under 60 seconds. and we will include extensive, super easy to understand video training on what to do with these videos. Okay, so if you want to upload them to YouTube and generate traffic and commissions this way, that's fine. If you want to sell these videos on sites like Fiverr, that's fine. If you want to rank them and then sell them to local clients, that's fine as well. There's so many different things you can do with these videos to make money. It's not even funny. So guys, that's essentially it. Again, check out the 60-second demo and the 10-minute demo for all of the functions. And right now let's talk about all of the upsells. So if you want to win a free copy, you can still pick it up with an early bird discount, but let me show you how much it will cost you and what's the final. Okay, so again, these are the two demos I got for you, so you should find them both on my YouTube channel and on my blog. So we have the 60-second demo where I actually create a video in under 60 seconds, and the full demo, that's 10 minutes, and the funnel, as you can see. So the main version will be either $17 or $20. Okay, so we have the light version where you get the software and 2 pieces of training, or the full version when you get the software and 3 pieces of training that will include a case study on how we made $700, and also the developer's license, which means that you can sell these videos to other people. Okay, so either $17 or $20, but again, you're here for the free copy, so stick with me until the end of this video. OTO number 1 will be the advanced version, which removes all the limitations. Okay, so you can create 1 video per day with the main Commission Trooper app. If you want unlimited videos per day, that's OTO number 1. OTO number 2, we have done for you a pack which will include evergreen affiliate marketing campaigns, automated campaigns, CPA campaigns, social media promos, email campaigns, engagement posts, squeeze pages, stock music, and done for you images. And this will be $37. So just a massive done for you pack. Reseller's license, 2 Commission Trooper, and 5 other products. So you're getting actually a reseller's license to a total of 6 products. That's $197, but again, this is for 6 products, not just 1. So our competitors normally sell a reseller's license to just 1 product. You're getting a total of 6 with us. Upgrade number 4, 45 plus W's of the day ordered products. So this is a bundle of our top selling products, and this is at a massive discount, $147. 6-figure training, that's OTO number 5, and this will be just $47, and it will show you how to make 6 figures in 3 different ways: with Instagram, with Google AdWords, and with product creation. Okay, and last up we have a traffic bundle software bundle, which is the last in the 6th OTO, and it's just $27, and you're gonna get rapid lead magnets, keyword research ninja, and Twitter marketing bots. So 3 additional pieces of software. OTOs are optional, guys. These are just to make your life a little bit easier, and you'll be fine with the main Commission Trooper app alone. But these are optional. Again, if you want to make more money, if you want to make your life easier, like with the done for you pack, or maybe with the reseller's license. But again, the main Commission Trooper app will be $17 for Lite or $20 for Pro. And you're gonna see all the details on the sales page. But right now, let me show you how to win a free copy. All you have to do is, you are watching this video on YouTube right now, hopefully. So all you have to do is just like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment. This comment can be anything, okay? So it can be a testimonial, it can be just saying hi, it can be whatever you want, okay? So out of the people that will do these 4 things, I will pick 10% as winners, okay? So if we're gonna have 100 comments, 10%, which means 10 people will be winners, and I will be giving away 3 copies of Commission Trooper, okay? So I'm going to announce the winners 5 minutes before Commission Trooper goes live, which is on the 19th of April at 8:55 a.m. Eastern, okay? So Commission Trooper goes live at 9 a.m. Eastern on Sunday, the 19th of April, and again, I'm going to be announcing the winners on my blog. So actually, if you're watching on YouTube, the second link in the description will take you to my blog, to the winners, and the first link in the description will take you to the early bird discount. If you won't win a free copy and you will still pick it up with an early bird discount, you can make 10 times the amount of that investment with just one video. And again, you can do whatever you want with these videos. So you can upload them to YouTube, you can sell them, you can target local clients with them, you can do whatever you want with these. And again, you are not creating videos because these videos are already out there. You just have to grab the URL, rebrand it, add your own watermark or whatever you want to add to them, and you have a brand new video that pulls traffic and pulls commission in a matter of seconds. So guys, again, Commission Trooper goes live on Sunday, the 19th of April at 9 a.m. Eastern. Do these 4 things to win a free copy. So again, like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell for notifications, and leave me a comment. That can be anything, and I'll see you when Commission Trooper goes live, and hopefully I will see you inside the members area. Ciao!